What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Josh, and we back at it again on the Kicks and Bricks channel. Hey y'all, I just got off the road. Got home yesterday. Well, actually got home on Friday. Had to finish a couple things. I had to do some adulting yesterday, change out the dishwasher, this thing, that, and the third, you know what I'm saying? Doing some chores around the house, for the man chores, things that the wifey can't take care of. So put up some decorations for Halloween, spend some time with the fam. Hey, now it's time to record this video. So I got this pair of sneakers about 2.5 weeks ago. I just wasn't home to receive them when they came in. Not 2.5, I'm sorry, 2 weeks ago, but I wasn't home to receive them. So, and they're an exclusive pair. But before we get to that, I want to sit here and thank y'all for tuning into the channel. Make sure you hit that like button if it's your first time on the channel. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and make sure you hit the notification bell so that way you're alerted of all the uploads that I put up and whatnot. But please make sure you hit that like button. Get the videos in the algorithm, in the YouTube algorithm, and we'll take it from there. All right. So today's sneaker is the alternate version of a recent release that was only available to New York City residents. For some reason, and that was pretty dope. Me being a prior New York City resident, I wish I was there to cop, but luckily enough, I had a friend. I had to phone a friend real quick, like, yo, what's up? I need you to do something for me. So luckily, the friend was able to sit there and order them on his phone. Got them a couple days later, and then he shipped them to me. So, whoo, sneaker gods. We're definitely, happy about that. So, and I was able to cop an extra pair from Extra Butter. I don't know if you guys know that website or whatnot. And, but dummy me, I had my cousin's, address there because I had sent him something from another app using the shop app, and it saved that address and it sent it to them. I was like, ah, crap. But my cousin got me, though. He's sending me the sneakers here shortly. So, all right, well, enough of the backstory for this. Let's get to the sneaker. And the sneaker comes in this box right here. Boom. Now, we know this is a generic Nike box as of late, because we see them on the road, or every time they show that Memphis got robbed, we see all these boxes everywhere, all over the floor and whatnot. So, all right, so this is let me read the tag. This is the Air Force One Low QS TS NY. And the size is 9.5 for me, personal pair. And ladies and gents, what I have in this box is the Nike Air Force One Terror Squad New York City exclusive. Whew. Man, beautiful. Beautiful. All right, y'all, check it out. First impressions of the sneaker. Yep, I'm glad I got them. I'm glad I was able to get them. The quality on these is along the same with the black and white pair. The tumble leather's dope, clean sneaker, no manufacturing flaws. Unfortunately, these Air Force Ones were released a lot better than some of the Jordans that we've been seeing lately. But hey, that's not what we're here to talk about. We'll talk about that another day. But yeah, this is a dope sneaker, and of course, grab these here. Boom, got them right there. Check them out. Yeah. I wouldn't rock them, one on my left, one on my right, but had to do the comparison. So, and yeah, quality is there, the same, good quality on both. So, Fat Joe and Terror Squad, make sure they released a dope collab this year. And other than the SB Dunks, the SB4s, I think this is one of the better releases, the collabs for the year. I mean, those Travis Scott Utopia freaking Air Force Ones, I mean, It's probably the same quality of this sneaker, except that all it has was just Utopia and it's all white. I'm like, really? Come on, let's not do that, Travis Scott. Come on, now you're playing games. This is a straight. It's like the Supreme Air Force One. They just put a Supreme on there, boom. But at least these right here, they threw in a little different color, threw in the TS, and hey, it's a different story. So, all right, well, enough of me talking about these. Let's put them in front of the camera so that way y'all can get a close look at them. So y'all can, you know, say y'all comments on them and what y'all think about them, what you think about the quality and all that good stuff. So, yeah, let me not waste any more time. So, all right, let's get these in front of the camera, y'all. Let's get it. All right, y'all. Well, here we got the NYC exclusive Air Force One Terror Squads. Gotta thank the homie again, childhood friend of mine, able to cop these from the Up app or the Up site and get them to his door, and he sent them to me. So thanks again to the homie. But yeah, these are definitely dope. Let's go over, of course, they come in a regular Air Force One, excuse me, in a regular Nike box, so you can see by the box, generic stuff, but the sneaker itself is the true story. Look at that leather. And you know, I've said it on here plenty of times before that I'm not into the real pastel colors, but this right here is like a little baby blue, and I could do baby blue. I've done baby blue in the past, you know, where I could rock a couple fits with it, whatnot. And on top of that, I used to rock baby blue a lot when I was in high school and whatnot, because I thought it was, you know, it's a pretty cool color for me anyway. But yeah, other than that, just like the other Terror Squad pair, this pair is dope on far as the tumbled leather quality, premium feel right there. The inside of the liner is leather itself, so whoever got them sweaty feet type dude people, your feet gonna be sweating pretty quick, because yeah, man, this leather right here, I can see people getting stinky real quick with these things. So they got two sets of laces, the baby blue and the white. I think I'll go with the baby blue, or maybe both if I could try to figure out how to lace both of them in here. But yeah, these are pretty dope. As a matter of fact, wait one, let me grab the black and whites real quick. So boom, there they go right here. So here we got the black and white pair and the baby blue and white pair right here side by side. Like I said before, y'all, the leather on these, dope quality as hell, man. Look at the tongue, some leather on the tongues too. The interior, you know, side by side, the soles right there. Let's see, there we go. Look at the tumble leather on the black, tumble leather on the white. Dope. And of course, the back, got the TS on the back, on each side of it. And we got the Joey Crack. So, yeah, dope. I love them. You're pretty dope. Anyway, well, in the comment section, let me know what y'all think about the sneakers, y'all. Y'all like them? These are a resale cop. If you're gonna go after the NYC exclusive pair or not, I really would wish to, even though I wouldn't rock them, I would wish to have the friends of, you know, family pair of the sneaker, yo. It would be so dope to have the whole set and whatnot. So, all right, y'all, let me know in the comment section what y'all think about the quality, what y'all think about the appearance, if y'all, you know, digging them, if y'all not digging them, if it was a pass, hard pass. I mean, even if you're from NYC and, you know, if you were there and you still were able to cop them, you said, nah, I'm passing on these. Let me know in the comment section, y'all. All right, well, let's get back in front of this camera, give our final thoughts and comments on these sneakers, and we take it from there. All right, y'all, let's get it. All right, y'all, that was the review for the Nike Air Force One TS New York City edition. Exclusive, not edition, exclusive. So, hey, they did their job on this sneaker. I'm happy. I paid the price for them because it's worth the sneaker. I mean, excuse me, it's worth the quality that they put in the sneaker. So, y'all let me know what y'all think about it. Y'all let me know if y'all were able to cop the black and white pair, if y'all were able to cop these, if y'all paid resale for these, let me know what y'all think about it, y'all. So other than that, hey, let's wait to see what the end of the year has for us on sneakers, because I tell you what, fall and winter got a good lineup. I might go broke buying my Rock One Stock One if I can get them. So I'm definitely going for those Cherry 12s. I'm definitely going for the Gratitude Jordan 11s, the Fear 3s for sure. And there was one other pair that the Wheat and White 13s. Yep, going for those for sure. So those are 4 pairs right there that are definite Rock and Stock pairs. So, but let's see what the other ones, if I really feel the other ones, and let's see if I can get them early in here so we can do a review for y'all. So, all right, y'all. Well, thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching the video. Make sure you hit that like button. If you're not subscribed already, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And if you haven't done it yet, make sure you hit that notification bell so that way you're notified every time I upload. So, other than that, hey, as always, it's your boy Josh. We on the Kicks and Bricks channel. Keep it locked in, and until next time, holla at your boy.